Well, morning, afternoon, again, it's been a while. I decided to put a short vlog out. Currently I'm out with Professor Alan Cole's PhD, MBA, toothpaste aficionado. But we're doing a little walk from Tintern around to Cledden Falls and then back, following a route from Morgsford Mountains, which is it's nice. There's a lot of lovely kind of beach hedges and so forth. But I'll cut this together, intersperse a couple of photos. There's a little bit of mist earlier on, which is lovely. It's brightened up a bit now. I'm not blowing, I'm fit. And yeah, we'll come along and join in, and you can see what we can see. So yeah, enjoy. Catch you later. Just channeling my inner Simon Booth.